So, you're a forex trader and you want to make some money online, but here's the problem. You don't have the time or the knowledge base to succeed. Do you continue making trades based on inaccurate information, or do you just give up on your dreams of becoming an expert trader? You wish there was a system that could scan the markets and identify the best trends that can dramatically increase your trading success? You need something different. That's why we offer you our custom trading signals available to all of our customers. We provide you with some of the most accurate forex signals on the market. Our signals have been tested thousands of times by our satisfied traders, and their accuracy is unparalleled. As a trader of CMTrading, you will get SMS texts and emails with market alerts in real time, as well as buy and sell signals. You can join the growing number of traders who rely on our signals to identify opportunities in the market. What are you waiting for? Register today and get access to our advanced signals once you open an account. For more information, contact our support team anytime, and they'll be happy to assist you. Take advantage of the volatile markets today at cmtrading.com.